Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with entry grab handle, decorative kitchen backsplash, ceiling fan, living room fireplace, big corner shower, LED interior lighting, dual bedroom nightstands, cable TV hookup, freestanding table with chairs, theater seating, entertainment center, designer headboard, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, bathroom cabinet with mirror, end tables on either side of the sofa, dual lights over headboard, electric awning, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, bathroom toilet, mirrored wardrobe doors, sofa bed, wardrobe with storage drawers, refrigerator, triple slides, automatic levelers, over-the-range microwave, shower skylight, fire extinguisher, outside shower, LED exterior lighting, front bedroom, walk-around queen bed, rear living area, 3-burner range, kitchen island, stainless steel kitchen appliances, vanity with sink, high-rise faucet, kitchen sink, outside speakers, sleeps up to 4 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.